Do you think these are a candidate for sneaker of the year?
Oh, man. I'm going to say...
What's going on, everybody? Today we are going to be doing an official review on the Nike Air Jordan Diors.
Air Dior.
Oh,
Air Dior. They got the clearance.
Good point.
To take off the main part of the logo.
That's
Jordan.
crazy. That's crazy.
Air Dior.
Obviously, we talked about these a ton on the channel.
We sure did.
A lot of discussions, a lot of arguments, a lot of debates over this sneaker right here.
And to be honest, I can't believe you actually obtained a pair.
I can't believe it either. Shout out to Arnold. Yeah, let's get right into this one. All right, so the plan for the video, we are going to be opening up this box. We just briefly looked at them earlier, you know. Go over the details, our thoughts, and we got to ultimately answer the question. Are these a sneaker of the year?
Ooh.
We've been asking this question for what, 5+ years? You know, we always got to investigate and basically answer the question as sneakers released throughout the year.
You know, and it is July. You know, it's a good halfway point. I think it's safe to say we could definitely see if these are a shoe of the year. I say go ahead and open them up, man. The box is crazy.
What are we waiting for?
5 million entries, Rich. 5 million.
5 million. They made 8,500. These are numbered.
Oh,
5 million.
Obviously,
That's
there
crazy.
was a low pair, a high pair, obviously.
So,
so still very limited.
Yeah, very limited. The high pair is fetching around like 13K right now.
Look at it. It comes with a dust bag for each shoe.
Lows are going for around 10, I think. A little bit cheaper.
Ooh, man. Look at that.
The ice.
Bring them
It's just
out.
icy.
Sheesh.
Icy.
Golly. Look, I know we said we saw them earlier, but I'm getting just as hyped.
Oh, my.
And I just want to say, I know in the past.
Oh, leather Dior insoles.
Ooh.
These are heavy, too. All right. We're investigating for you guys. We're investigating
Can
for
we
you
just,
guys.
bring up, I'm not going to lie, when I first saw these on the internet, I was a little bit underwhelmed. To me, it's just a little bit underwhelming, man. The whole signature Dior pattern on the swoosh only is not gonna do enough for me.
And I think that was everybody's opinion. I was, I even said these are drop. I said they're underwhelming. There's not enough Dior on them.
Yep, we were saying that the execution was it wasn't great. You know, there were renders out there that were a lot better, but
guys.
Sometimes
when you see them in person,
when you hold them in person,
you get a vibe.
Oh my
You
gosh.
get a vibe. The quality in construction. These are handmade in Italy, first and foremost.
Let's make that clear. There's a reason why the retail was $2,000. Because I see a lot of people in the comments saying, like, I can't believe they start at $2,000, $2,200.
It was justified. It was not. This is not Air Jordan quality. It is Dior quality.
Oh, I read something that said these are far from the factories in China. You know?
So numbers wise, these are numbered right here. Been a while since we saw that from Jordan brand at an 8,500. Very limited for the highs, and for the lows, it is said that they produce 4,700.
Oh, so even more limited.
Yeah. So it's kind of weird. The lows go for less. I mean, obviously people like highs more.
Oh yeah.
One thing I really want to talk about is the construction of them. What are you feeling right now as you hold these things?
Look. There's a reason why they're made in Italy, okay? I think that's the best place in the world to make shoes. With that being said, they remind me kind of the Hender scheme was the brand I used to kind of do, like the remake leather versions of like Jordan silhouette.
You know what it kind of reminds me of? It feels like Jordan brand gave Dior the template and said, here, do your thing with your materials.
Yes.
That's what it feels like with these.
I mean, there's a key point. You brought up materials. At the end of the day, this is high quality leather. High quality.
the construction of it, the stitching, the way it feels.
No, for sure.
Feels complete. I mean,
usually quality is nothing that we kind of, brag about when it comes to regular Jordan releases.
All right, Chan, I gotta ask you. This is a review.
Yes.
I gotta ask you, what is the one flaw you could see in these? Like the one thing you would like to change?
Okay, quality aside, construction aside.
Oh, I know where you're going.
Not Dior enough.
The same thing we've been saying on the, based off the photos.
Exactly. I mean, you got the check mark, the swoosh that has the signature jacquard logos, but I want to see it on a toe box. I want to see it back here.
Crazy.
There's a reason why people are saying there's cheaper alternatives.
Oh!
Come on.
Just respect the sneakers. Don't bring up the cheaper alternatives.
I get it.
I know
get it.
everybody is doing that right now, but yeah.
I can see a lot of people trying to
like
do their own little custom.
I feel like the cheaper alternatives are really reaching. There's like 4 decent ones, but there's not one go-to.
Very
you
true.
know what I mean?
Very
So
true.
it's like,
Very true.
I don't know. I can see what you're saying, but yeah.
At the end of the day, that's really the only flaw. It's just it wasn't Dior enough. I'd love to see more Dior. Shoot, Rich, what about you though?
Oh man, when you drop a bag on some sneakers, it's hard to really pinpoint something you don't like about them.
You kind of don't want to
You don't want to dislike them. I'm gonna say they're not. They're perfect.
Perfect.
Aside from being unobtainable, come on, man. The leather, the construction, subtle Dior. I don't love Dior. I don't like Dior enough to want it all over the place.
Wow, that's kind of true. It kind of goes opposite of what
I'm with everybody. Who really was rocking Dior before this whole
Very
thing?
true.
You know what I mean?
With that being said, it kind of reminds me of what we talked about with Louis Vuitton and Supreme. It was almost like too much Louis Vuitton, right?
Yeah, this is more Jordan 1 based with Dior touches. I feel like the whole Supreme Louis thing was too Louis.
Too outlandish, too just crazy, right?
Yeah. All right, so we went over the construction of them, what we thought about them in hand. I gotta ask you though, we always ask this question throughout the year. Do you think these are a candidate for sneaker of the year?
Well, being so that the year is pretty crazy so far. Oh man, I'm gonna say no.
Okay.
I'm gonna say these can't be because I'm for the people, okay? I just feel like just not. You can't obtain them as easy, man. Like if you get them, especially for retail, you're gonna want to keep these more as like a display piece, something to resell down the road. This is a nice little Honda. This is a nice little Honda Civic.
A nice one too.
Yeah, man. So with that being said, it's just too many reasons that I shouldn't wear them.
I completely agree. One wear on these things is $500. It's like
one wear on these. It's just like a brand new car going off the lot.
One wear, $500 each time. I would say these cannot be the sneaker of the year.
No,
I agree.
I can't.
It's like this. I compare it with Tyson, right? Tyson said Mayweather is not a champion because he can't walk amongst the people without security.
Wow.
Greatness is not guarding yourself from the people. Greatness is being accepted by the people.
How can you be a champion if you can't even walk amongst regular society? How can you be the sneaker of the year? You can't even get these.
Dang. You haven't really said a lot of heavy statements in a while. That one right there is for the books. That's for the books.
That's how I feel about these.
Yeah, that's a good
Obviously,
point.
it's a dope sneaker. We're talking sneaker of the year. It's a whole nother question. I'm gonna say maybe let me ask this.
Yeah.
Okay, top 3 dopest collabs of all time. Yeah, I would put that in.
Probably.
I would put these in because these go down in history, but can't be sneaker of the year.
Just going off what you're saying, Rich, I see a lot of other collabs, a lot of other hype shoes with normal people that might not be like collectors or hype beasts. When they get them, they're gonna keep them. There's a lot of people that are trying to get these and flipping them. Like no one cares. They just care about the hype and the resell.
Yeah, it was more like I feel like they made it more about the resell and the price more than the shoe itself.
Very true. When it comes to sneaker of the year, you're keeping that shoe.
Yeah,
you want that shoe.
You want
to wear that shoe.
You want that shoe. All right, there you guys have it. These are not the sneaker of the year. These cannot be.
Can't be.
But very, very dope sneakers nonetheless, and they are crazy in person. Trust me, when you guys hold them, see the construction of them, you guys will know what we're talking about.
Amazing.
All right, guys, let us know down in the comments below what you guys think of the Dior ones. Is this even on your grail list? Is this even on your radar? Something that you would drop over 10K for? I don't know. I wouldn't say the smartest decision, but yeah.
No.
Really dope.
No. Oh, be careful. Be careful now. Be careful now.
Really dope to have though, but yeah. Shout out to Arnold one more time. Crazy to even have these. These are definitely going in my acrylic box, with my grails.
So will this make the Hype Talk backdrop? Just maybe in an acrylic box?
Oh my. We'll see. All right. Let us know down in the comments below what you guys think of these. We'll hop in the discussion as well. I could already see it now. Oh, you said this and you said it's different in hand.
It's different in hand. Quality's insane.
Thank you.
But overall, just not sneaker of the year.
Yeah.
Okay?
All right, guys. And until next time, we out.
Peace.